Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. Just jumping on here real quick because I came home today and I had a little surprise. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing to show you what I got. So I'm going to switch this around. And yeah, my Singleswag box came. And so we're going to open this bad boy up. I just got to find some scissors. And yeah, we'll open this up. And see what we have. Oh, I had it right the first time. Okay. There we go. All right. Of course, we have the Win Your Next box by referring people. And let's see what we got. All right. Cool, cool, cool. All right, sorry, I'm looking for my glasses so I can actually see. Okay, so this time our sweet is a big dark chocolate bar from Sweet Wishes. Cool. I'll split that with Nick. He'll like that. My son. He's 23. He likes chocolate a lot more than I do. Okay. Ooh, Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics Lip Oil Duo. Orange and cherry. Oh, that sounds good. Cool. Let's see if I can open this up. Ah. Lip oil, huh? Oh. That's cool. I can't wait to try that. Lip oil. Cherry, my favorite. Okay. Next we have Mineral Clay Beauty Mask. Oh, I love beauty masks. It has mineral clay, tiger nuts oil, cocoa, and licorice extracts. Feel free. That's cool. Oh, it's a big tube too. I like that. All right, let's see. We got. Oh, I've gotten these before. It's a Spongel. You Have My Heart body wash infused buffer. This couldn't come at a better time. I just ran out of body wash today. So yeah, that'd be great. Okay. So far, I'm very pleased with this box. What is this? Indigo Authority's nice pink suede bag. I'm assuming it's got some jewelry swag in here. So hard to do with one hand, but my stand is currently underneath some stuff over there, so. Forgive me. Alright, I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a second. Because the bag is stuck. Or the card is stuck in the bag. Okay. Very pretty packaging. Okay. I'm trying to figure out which way this went, but okay. Alright, I got it out. It's a cute little necklace and earrings. These are the earrings, the little bars. It's cute. That's not really my style, but I'm not a big fan of gold anyway, but yeah, that's cute. I'll make it a gift. Somebody will receive that. What is this? Argan hair oil. Ooh. Now that's a good gift. It's a big old box too. Massage into damp hair and style. Sun protection, scalp health, moisturizes and conditions, helps prevent early hair loss. I like that. Okay, so that's useful. Alright, what else we got here? What is this? Double-sided dust black. Oh. Oh, it says something on it. Hold on, I gotta put you back down so I can unwrap this. I guess it says something on it. That's cool, desk swag. Seeing how I work from home. Not many people are going to see it, but that's okay. Alright. Oh, this is too cute. Okay. It's really too cute. It has this, and it says, "Get it, girl," or you can slide it out and flip it over. And it says, "The Boss." I'm totally liking this. I'm digging this a lot. That's cute. Alright, that's really cute. I like it. Okay. I think this is the last thing. Last but of course not least, the Positivity Kit. Instant happiness on every page. Book. I love books. I love it when they put books in these swag boxes. Oh yeah, I love these kind of books. You fill in the blanks. This is good to do whenever you're bored or you're waiting in line or something. So yeah, for the most part, this was an excellent swag box. Very well worth it. And I actually got swag box. I mean, not swag box. Singleswag. Sorry. Singleswag is one of the